In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, that usually means you're stuck on either the Ghost logo, for which is the Snapchat logo, or your friend stories aren't refreshing. So while Snapchat is operational, recent reports have a minor handshake bug for users who are using like mobile data in certain regions. So what you want to do is, if you're on mobile data, go ahead and try and switch to Wi-Fi. If you're on Wi-Fi, try ahead and switch to mobile data. If that doesn't work, what we want to do is an airplane mode flush. So you see the airplane mode icon, regardless of whatever device you're using, go ahead and click on that. Then you got to wait about 10 seconds while it's off, and then go ahead and turn it back on. And then this forces your device to grab a new IP from the tower, which often bypasses any loading hangs that you have. What you could also go ahead and try and do is go ahead and, if you're on Android, long press on the Snapchat icon, tap the I, and then tap force stop. And if you're on iPhone, if you have, Snapchat open in the background, go ahead and swipe out of it, and that should definitely help as well. And what you can also do is try and clear the cache. So go over to your settings, scroll down and go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Once you're on iPhone storage, locate Snapchat, click on it, and then offload the app, which is gonna, it's gonna clear the data and clear the cache, but it's gonna keep your documents and data, and then just open it again, and you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.